Have you ever noticed that fear is rarely about what's happening right now? Anxiety.
Most fear is a story the mind creates. When you return to the present breath, why does anxiety appear even when life seems okay? We want things to stay the same forever. But everything changes, and resisting that truth creates.
Feeling overwhelmed? Try these 3 breaths. Breath 1, know you're breathing in and out. Breath 2, acknowledge the tension and release it. Breath 3, offer a gentle smile and return to peace.
The mind isn't the enemy. Anxiety happens when the mind runs into the future.
A powerful Buddhist technique for anxiety is just noting. When worry appears, when a thought appears, this is a thought. No judgment, just awareness.
What if your fear isn't trying to hurt you? Fear is often a part of you trying to protect you. Offer compassion. May I be safe. May I be free from fear.
You don't need life to change before you feel peaceful. Every breath is a new beginning.